Well, Hungary is expected to ratify Sweden's NATO accession. This is going to happen. We are moving on to our next story. Yes, Hungary is expected to ratify Sweden's NATO accession on Monday, clearing the last hurdle before the historic step by the Nordic country. Sweden applied 2 years ago to join the North Atlantic Treaty Organization in a historic shift in policy prompted by Russia's full-scale conflict with Ukraine. Hungary was the last member of NATO holding out Sweden's application. Hungary's Prime Minister met Swedish counterpart on Friday and said that he had managed to rebuild trust. Earlier, Finland became the 31st NATO member last year. Finland's membership was the result of an 11-month process that began after Russia's offensive in Ukraine. And when Sweden joins NATO, it will help the alliance to redress its vulnerabilities in the northwest of Europe, the Baltic Sea, a shared waterway with Russia, with the bottleneck for access to ports in 8 states, including Germany. Stockholm is aiming to spend 2% of its GDP on defense by 2026 to increase its military capacity across land, sea and air. According to the chief of the military, the Nordic country aims to double its number of conscripts from an estimated 24,000 in 2025 to 50,000 in 2035. Sweden has been operating submarines in the Baltic since 1904, and Sweden hopes that its submarines will give the NATO a strategic edge in the Baltic Sea.